Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your sliding glass door slide easier. First, carefully lift the door from its frame and set it aside in a safe spot. Then, use a vacuum cleaner to remove loose dirt and debris from both the upper and lower tracks. A stiff brush can help dislodge any stubborn grime before a deeper clean. Finally, take a moment to inspect the door's rollers for any obvious damage or accumulated gunk. Now, let's get into a deeper clean. Spray a good quality degreaser onto the tracks to break down any built-up grease and dirt, letting it sit for a few minutes. Use a rag or sponge to wipe away the loosened grime. Next, clean the door's rollers with a stiff brush and some soapy water, ensuring all old lubricant and debris are gone. Carefully inspect each roller for any signs of damage like flat spots or cracks. With the tracks and rollers clean, it's time for lubrication. Use a silicone-based spray lubricant, as it won't attract dirt like oil-based products. Apply a light, even coat along both the upper and lower tracks. Also, spray a small amount directly onto the door's rollers to ensure they spin freely. If your door isn't level or seems to bind, adjust the roller height using a screwdriver on the adjustment screws. Now, it's time to carefully reinstall your sliding glass door. Gently lift the door and guide the top rollers into the upper track first, then lower the bottom rollers onto the lower track. Once the door is in place, slide it back and forth several times to distribute the lubricant and test its movement. If it still feels a bit stiff or uneven, make small, precise adjustments to the roller screws until it glides effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.